Welcome, wine enthusiasts, to our channel. Today, we embark on an exciting journey through the world of Italian red wine, uncovering intriguing and lesser-known facts about this timeless elixir. So, grab a glass, and let's dive right in. Saluti, my friends. Italian red wines have captivated wine lovers for centuries with their exceptional quality, diversity, and unmatched flavors. But did you know that Italy is home to more than 350 grape varieties used to produce these magnificent reds? It's a treasure trove of flavors waiting to be explored. One such fascinating grape variety is the Nebbiolo. Often called the king of Italian grapes, Nebbiolo flourishes in the Piedmont region, producing renowned wines like Barolo and Barbaresco. Its flavors evolve over time, offering intense red fruit, floral notes, and powerful tannins that create a truly majestic drinking experience. Another grape variety that steals the spotlight is Sangiovese. This iconic grape finds its roots in Tuscany and forms the backbone of beloved Italian red wines like Chianti and Brunello di Montalcino. Sangiovese wines are known for their vibrant acidity, bright cherry flavors, and a touch of earthiness, capturing the essence of the Italian terroir. Let's venture into the cellars where these remarkable wines age gracefully. Did you know that many Italian red wines undergo an extended aging process in oak barrels? This aging imparts complex flavors of vanilla, spice, and subtle hints of toast, elevating the wine's profile and adding depth to every sip. As you indulge in an Italian red wine, take a moment to appreciate the diversity across different regions. From the robust and powerful Amarone della Valpolicella of Veneto to the elegant and velvety Montepulciano d'Abruzzo from Abruzzo, each region showcases its unique style, reflecting the distinctive terroir and winemaking traditions. Here's a fun fact for you. Italy hosts vibrant wine festivals throughout the year, celebrating the country's rich winemaking heritage. These festivals provide a fantastic opportunity to taste a wide array of Italian red wines, mingle with passionate winemakers, and immerse yourself in the intoxicating world of Italian viticulture. So, my friends, let's raise a glass to the enchantment of Italian red wine. Cheers! Remember, every sip carries the essence of centuries-old winemaking traditions and the passion of the people behind the bottle. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Italian red wine experiences in the comments below. Until next time, may your wine glass overflow with joy and discovery.